In this video, I'll be showing students how to access Panopto resources within a Moodle course. You'll be watching your Panopto videos one of two ways, either from the link on the course page or from the Panopto block drawer on the right side of your screen. If your professor posts recordings to the Panopto block, you'll see a full list of completed recordings there. Click on any one of these and it will take you straight to the video and you can just watch it. Another way to access a Panopto resource is using the Panopto embedded link, which will look something like this. Just click on it and it will be embedded straight into the Moodle course, so you can just watch it from there. It can be advantageous for you as a student to take time-stamped notes in Panopto. Clicking the Watch in Panopto button will open this video in the Panopto interface and allow you to take time-stamped notes and other features. There are other tools in this view that you can utilize, such as the search bar, which allows you to search for information that you think will be in the video. The discussion tab will allow you to post a comment if you feel like something needs to be changed or some misinformation. Your professor will be able to view this, as well as your classmates. Some of you might want to take notes while you watch the video. Panopto does have a notes feature, so you can just take the notes here while you watch the video. Clicking on your notes that you've taken previously will take you to the moment in the video when you wrote the note, and your notes will be searchable. Bookmarks are for if you want to see some information that you'd like to save, or if you think is important and it will be nice to go back to later on. You can bookmark that section of the video and then go back to it. Need more help? For technical support, contact the e-LIS support team by clicking on the Get Help button at the top of any page in Moodle.